10 seconds. That's what most people think they'd get. A warning, a siren, a chance to move. Nature doesn't negotiate. Let's start with what you can see coming. A wildfire. It moves at 14 miles an hour through dry brush. That doesn't sound fast until you realize the wind shifts. Now embers are landing a mile ahead of the fire line. The fire isn't chasing you, it's already waiting where you're running to. A tornado. The funnel itself can spin at 300 miles an hour, but the whole storm moves across the ground at 30 to 70. That's highway speed. You see it? You freeze for 3 seconds. You just lost a football field of distance. Now here's where your brain fails you. A flash flood. 6 inches of moving water knocks you off your feet. 12 inches moves a car. 2 feet of water, a truck is gone. And it arrives in minutes, not hours, minutes. By the time you see it, you're already standing in the wrong place. An avalanche hits 80 miles an hour in 5 seconds. 1,000,000 tons of snow, moving faster than a car on a highway. You don't outrun it, you don't outswim it, you get buried and you have about 15 minutes of air. But those are things that build, things you might hear first. Some disasters don't make a sound. An earthquake. The shock wave travels at 10,000 miles per hour through rock. That's faster than a bullet. The ground under your feet, the one thing you trust to stay still, moves before your brain can even send the signal to run. A sinkhole. No warning at all. The ground opens. You're standing on solid concrete, and then you're not. It takes less than a second. There's no running from something that happens underneath you. Now here's the one that puts all of these to shame. A tsunami in open ocean moves at 500 miles an hour. That's the speed of a commercial jet. The wave is barely visible out there, maybe a foot tall, but when it reaches shallow water, all that energy stacks up. A wall of water, 30 feet, 50 feet, moving inland at the speed of a car, and the ocean doesn't stop pushing. Lightning moves at 270,000 miles an hour. But here's the thing, you were never going to dodge it. There is no reaction time. There is no 10 seconds. The strike happens, and then you hear the thunder. By the time you know it's there, it's already over. 10 seconds sounds like time. It isn't. It's just long enough to realize you never had a chance. And if you think nature is the only thing that moves this fast, wait until you see what 10 seconds looks like against the fastest animals on Earth. That one's even worse.